Morning, afternoon, evening, from wherever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Alright, today we'll quickly look at what we call the polynomials. Addition and subtraction of polynomial. What are polynomials? Polynomial is just the sum of positive powers of a variable alongside with a constant. That's what a polynomial is. Now, polynomials can either be written in ascending and or descending powers. Now, let's look at this polynomial. This is an example of a polynomial. This is a polynomial of order 3. 2x to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 7. Now, the next thing we have in this place, in this polynomial, is that this 2 that is in front of the x cube is what we call the coefficient. So the coefficient of this polynomial are 2, negative 3, and 5. Why the constant there is negative 7. Okay, let's look at this question. It says two polynomials are P1, which is equals to 2x to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 7, and P2 is equals to x to the power of 3 plus x squared minus x plus 1. Three questions. This find P1 plus P2. Second one says P1 minus P2, and the third one says 2 into bracket P1 minus 3 P2. Okay, straight up solution. The first one, we have our P1 plus P2. So that means we add 2x to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 plus, what's our P2? X to the power of 3 plus x squared minus x plus 1. Now we bring the polynomials that have the same power, we add them together. This is 2x raised to the power of 3, this is x to the power of 3, so 2 plus 1, that's 3x raised to the power of 3. Now we are done with that. Let's look at the squares. Negative 3x squared plus x squared. That will give us negative 2x squared. Now we have 5x and we have negative x. That will give us plus 4x. And we have negative 7 and plus 1. That will give us negative 6. So this is P1 plus P2. So let's go again. P1 plus P2 equals to, now the B part says P1 minus P2. So P1 minus P2 is equals to, that's 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 minus, open your brackets, put the value of P2, x raised to the power of 3 plus x squared minus x plus 1. So this becomes 2x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 7. This negative will affect this, so it becomes negative x cubed, negative x squared, negative times negative, that will be positive x, negative times positive, that's negative 1. Now the same way we did the first one, we also did this one like that. So this is cubic power, 2x raised to the power of 3 minus this. We are left with x cubed. Now we are done with that. Negative 3x squared minus x squared, that will give us negative 4x squared. We are done with that. We'll move on to the next one. Positive 5x plus x, that will give us 6x. Then negative 7 minus 1, that will give us negative 8. So let's look at the C part. This one says 2 P1 minus 3P2. So the first thing means 2 multiplied by the value of P1. So 2 into brackets, 2x is to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 7. Then minus 3 into bracket, what's the value of P2? That's x raised to the power of 3 plus x squared minus x plus 1. So let's expand the bracket. So this 2 times 2, that's 4x cubed, minus 2 times 3, that's 6x squared. 2 times 5, that's 10x, minus 2 times 7, that's 14. We are done with that. Negative 3 times x, that's negative 3x raised to the power of 3. Negative 3 times positive 2x x squared, that will give us negative 3x squared. This times this will give us positive 3x, and negative times this will give us negative 3. So we are done. It's for us to collect like terms and add. So this becomes 4x cubed minus 3x cubed. That will be x cubed. We are done with that. Let's go to the next power. Negative 6x squared minus 3x squared. That's negative 9x squared. We are done with that. Positive 10x plus 3x. That's plus 13x. And you have negative 14 minus 3. That's negative 17. Alright, I hope you have learned in today's class. Just like in our usual style, before we go, here some list of take-home fun we can practice at our leisure time. The first one says two polynomials are P1, which is equals to x raised to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus x minus 2. And P2 is equals to 2x raised to the power of 3 plus x squared minus x plus 1. So it's find P1 plus P2, P1 minus P2, C 2P1 minus 3P2, and the last one 2P1 minus P2. The second one says if P1 is equals to x raised to the power of 4 minus x raised to the power of 3 plus x squared minus x plus 2, and P2 is equals to x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x squared minus 5, find A P1 plus 2P2, B 2P1 minus P2, and C P1 minus XP2. Alright, if you have enjoyed today's class, addition and subtraction of polynomials, give us a like. Tell your friends about Making Master. Like our videos, share our videos. Tell them that this is a place where mathematics is demystified and complex problems made easy. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out on wonderful contents on the channel. Till we meet again, keep practicing. Do let me know the answers in the comment section, and if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, tell us, let us know, and we'll attend to it. So we'll meet again in the next class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.